Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings so the rest is immediate. First, make sure the device has power and unlock it. Then navigate directly to Settings and tap Home Screen and lock Screen or Themes depending on Color OS version. This is where Themes live. Once done, back up the current theme or note defaults so you can restore if needed. This saves time and prevents surprises, and it ensures you can revert if disabling the theme doesn't produce the expected result. Next, you disable or revert the active theme by selecting the current theme or opening My Themes list. This exposes the revert options. Choose Revert to Default or look for Disable on Custom Elements and tap to confirm. You may need to individually reset icon packs, wallpapers, fonts, or widgets if the theme applied them separately. Make sure to allow the phone a moment to apply each change. Relaunching the launcher or rebooting speeds up the process if elements remain stuck. Finally, you complete the process and handle a common snag. Restart the device to lock in changes and check the home screen for leftover icons or fonts. If elements persist, go to Settings App's launcher name and clear cache or data. This resets the launcher without affecting personal files. Make sure to reapply the default wallpaper and verify system fonts in display settings. If issues continue, boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app is enforcing the theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.